Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewz Heaven, the place where great kitchen finds meet honest reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best corn strippers that will totally change the way you prep corn. Whether you're tired of chasing kernels across the counter or just want something faster than a knife, we've got you covered. From simple peelers to smart tools with built-in bowls and bonus graters, these gadgets make corn prep cleaner, quicker, and dare I say fun? All the product links are waiting for you in the description box below, so feel free to check them out anytime. Now, let's get stripping corn, of course. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. OLEKURT Corn Stripper. Tired of chasing runaway corn kernels across the kitchen? The OLEKURT Corn Stripper is here to save your sanity and your floor. With one twist and push, boom, you've got fresh corn in the bowl, not in your socks. Its blade? Sharp like a ninja, but with a safety handle, so you don't end up needing a bandage mid-dinner prep. It peels an entire cob in under 10 seconds. That's faster than your excuses for not helping in the kitchen. Whether your corn is fresh, cooked, or has seen better days, this little gadget gets the job done. It's perfect for salads, soups, casseroles, or just eating straight from the bowl like a corn-loving squirrel. Plus, it's shaped like a cup and fits comfortably in your hand. Cleanup? A breeze. It's dishwasher safe, but even a quick rinse does the trick. So if you're still using a knife to peel corn, stop. This tool is here to turn your kitchen chaos into kernel calm, without making a cornfetti mess. Number 2. Fshow Corn Stripper Tool. Meet your new corn taming sidekick, the Fshow Corn Stripper Tool. This gadget doesn't just peel corn, it does it with style and zero flying kernels. Because, yes, corn in your hair is not cute. Just press, rotate, and boom, sweet, golden kernels land perfectly in the bowl. The blade is sharp enough to do the job fast, but not sharp enough to send you to the ER. No more slipping knives or battling stubborn cobs like it's a food fight. It doesn't matter if your corn is fresh, cooked, or dried. It handles it all like a corn whisperer. And here's a bonus. It even comes with a mini grater cap. Cheese, veggies, grated happiness. Using it is so simple. Even your grumpy cousin who avoids cooking might be impressed. Cleaning it? A quick rinse or dishwasher drop, and you're good. Built with tough materials, this tool isn't just a summer fling. It's a long-term relationship. Say goodbye to corn chaos and hello to clean cob victories. Number 3. Newness Corn Stripper Peeler and Cutter with Cup. Say goodbye to corn explosions in the kitchen. The Newness Corn Stripper Peeler is like a corn magician. Kernels off the cob and into the cup without making your countertop look like a popcorn crime scene. Built with sturdy 304 stainless steel, this little tool means business. It's dishwasher safe too, so you can skip the scrubbing and go straight to the snacking. Yes, your future self says thanks. Its serrated blade is sharp enough to slice through corn like butter, but don't worry, it's got control. Just twist, push, and boom. Kernels galore. It's like therapy, but with vegetables. This corn cutter isn't picky. It'll happily help you whip up salads, sushi, even corn-top desserts. Yes, corn dessert is a thing. And it brings that farm-fresh flavor without the can opener drama. Whether you're a mom, a chef, or just someone who believes corn belongs in every meal, this tool's here to upgrade your corn game. No more corn fights, just corn delight. Number 4. YYP Corn Stripper and Peeler for Corn on the Cob. Meet the YYP Corn Stripper, a tool so clever, it might just earn a spot on your family tree. This thing strips corn like it's going out of style, and best of all, no flying kernels smacking you in the face. Thanks to its sharp 304 stainless steel blade, it removes corn in seconds. No knife juggling or accidental finger sacrifices required. Just twist and boom, corn rain, straight into the built-in bowl. Cleanup? What cleanup? And oh, that bowl. It's extra deep. It holds a serious pile of kernels and even fits those awkwardly long cobs your uncle insists on buying. No corn left behind. Use it for salads, grilled corn tacos, chowder, pizza, or whatever corn creation your wild kitchen heart desires. If you've ever said, "I love corn, but hate the mess," this tool is basically your fairy godmother. So stop wrestling with knives and cobs. Grab this gadget and turn corn chaos into corn confidence. Number 5. SwellishColor Corn Cob Stripper and Peeler. Say hello to the multitasking wizard of your kitchen, the SwellishColor Corn Cob Stripper and Peeler. It peels corn, catches it in a bowl, grates ginger, measures stuff, and probably has a better resume than most of us. Just snap on the support frame, align the cob, twist and press, like giving corn a spa day. The kernels drop neatly into the bowl, and when the cob hits bottom, just flip it like a pancake. Easy peasy corn squeezy. This latest version is built tougher than your grandma's cast iron skillet, and the grater lid? Perfect for cheese, veggies, or surprise ginger attacks. It even has a measuring scale, because you never know when you'll want exactly 200 milliliters of corn. And it's portable. Take it camping, to the beach, or just flex with it at your next barbecue. Whether you're whipping up corn tortillas or making your 4th salad of the week, this tool is your new kitchen BFF. No more drama, just smooth corn karma. Thanks for watching this corn-filled countdown from Reviewz Heaven. If one of these strippers caught your eye, all the product links are in the description box below, just one click away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tasty kitchen reviews.